Irontrader. This is the last call of the day, so we're going to review crude oil here and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels are posted along with the EIA report for natural gas. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy or sell any stock commodity ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we have crude oil daily chart, natural gas daily chart, pretty much tells it all. Okay, you can see here where we have, it's a quick review, series of lower highs and lower lows. And then yesterday we put in a 71.46 and even lower low than what we're looking for right here at 71.67. But you notice that it closed back up at 71.94. Okay, now today we had a low of 71.58, but we held yesterday's low at 71.46, and we had a pretty good, nice green candle here, but it was still an inside day candle, which basically means your high and your low is within the high and the low of the previous days. Okay, let's take a look here at the upside first. So what you want to do is look at today's high. That's at 73.52. Then we'll look at yesterday's high. That's 74.16. And then we'll come right up on here to 74.38. And then we're going to be looking at this level right here that I've been pointing out is that 74.60. Now, again, right above that is what we have that 8-day at 75.16. And when we have your 21-day at 75.81. Now, when those futures open at 6 o'clock and you want to watch those, very, very important, this 8-day is going to be lower and that 21-day is going to be lower. Okay, so this could actually come down to where we're looking at here at that 74.60. Okay, so right now here, this is just a scalp only. Actually, UCO was a really good scalp today. You made a bottom of 27.55 and a high of 28.48. That was during regular hours, and this worked out very, very nice here for a really nice, good scalp here on the crude oil long. Okay, now what do we have here? Okay, so we have your MACD. Well, that's still bearish. Your green is below your red. Your RSI here isn't really showing a whole lot, even though we do have a low here. Okay, so we have a low, then we have an even lower low, and then we have a higher low. So we do have like a positive divergence going on here as long as your key level, your 74.16 there is held. Okay, so what we want to look here on the downside is we want to look to the bottom of this candle here. Okay, so 72.54. Right now you're sitting at 72.94. Okay, now if that's lost, then we'll come right over here to your 72.20, and then we'll have here at 71.67. And then what we do, whoop, I pulled it apart here. What's going on here? Okay, yeah. Then what we want to do is we want to look to today's low here at 71.58, and then that 71. 46 is going to be very, very key level there. Okay, so again, just watch that this low right here. This is going to be very, very key. That's 72.54, and then not what we do. We just follow the candles all the way down. 72.20, 71.67. We look at today's low at 71.58, and this is going to be crucial. Is that 71.46? That's what we're going to be trading at. So those futures open, you watch today's high and that low, and that high was 73.52. That low was 71.58. Watch that high because that's what you're going to be trading against. Okay, natural gas. Now you can see I was pointing out this nice box here, what we have. So you look at the top of that price channel, you're looking at 2.30, and we're looking here at the 21-day sitting at 2.10. Okay, yeah, all sounds really, really good. The problem is here, you lost that 21-day. Now, today we got as low down there as 2.03. So all you have to do is just look over here to the left of the chart. What do you have? 2.03. That was your support level, okay? So what you do is you just follow the candles all the way on down. So your next level, if that's lost here, we're going to be looking at the 2.01. Then we're going to look at the top of this candle at 1.97. You look right there at the bottom of there, 1.92. Then we have at the bottom 1.9, and then your big retest 1.88. So on the futures here at 6 o'clock, you want to watch this candle. Okay, you want to watch that high, okay, 2.20, and you want to watch that low at 2.031. Now, you know, the EIA report came out, and last week I said they finally had a draw, but today we had another big build again of 35 BCF. They're expecting 27, so this is why this sold off here real nice. So again, it just looks like that EIA report on natural gas is a good market mover, so just remember that for next week, okay? So here on the upside, well, what you really want to get is we got to get back above this 21-day. They're sitting at 2.10, and then we have right above that, we have that 8 SMA sitting at 2.17. If we can, we'll go to today's high. That's at 2.20, and then we have right up here at 2.22, and then this is what you're looking for, is that 2.27. That's going to be very, very key, because you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, and you could not close above that old Hondo there, okay? So that's very, very key. If you get above that, well, everything is sitting right there, 2.30. You got 2.308, and then we have your 2.32 level here. So now we got to see how this is all going to shake out. So just watch those futures, okay, and then watch today's high low. But on the upside, watch that 21-day and then watch that 8-day. That's going to be very, very critical. If you get above that, we have that 100-day. Again, if we go lower than today's low at the 2.03, then the next level here is going to be that 2.01, and then 197, 192, 190, and then 188. Just follow that down. Now RSI here kind of rolled over here today, obviously because the big ass red candle. And now your MACD looks like your green is flipping over, but that doesn't mean that it can't flip right back up. We got to see what we have here. Now, again, natural gas for me today was a very, very good trader. I scalped the UNG twice there. First time I got 25 cents, and then the second time there, I got another 15 cents there. So that was 40 cents trading for 5,000 shares. So that UNG was a really good trade. And then I also got KOLD. I scalped that, and I got 2.5 points out of the old natural gas short. Now you could have got a little bit more, but I was just busy with the NVIDIA. That was a good one. Tesla short today was a really good one. Crude oil was a good scalp on the long side. So there was just a lot of other good stuff here that was also happening. So never just focus just on one thing. I always review the crude oil and natural gas because I trade that every day, but there's also other stuff out there that also can make a lot of money. So what you want to do is just watch these futures here, watch today's high, the low, and the close, and same way here on the natural gas, the high, low, and the close on those futures at 6 p.m. and see where we start. But again, we're looking here on the upside to regain that 21-day and regain this 8 SMA. That's going to be very, very crucial here for the old natural gas. Now, again, we have that price channel going here at 2.30, and you have 1.88. So maybe instead of we trading this box right here, which we were, obviously we broke that today, maybe we're going to trade ourselves like a little bit bigger box here. So we got to see. Now, remember, natural gas is going to start coming into play here the first week of September, and that's good. A lot of times is a good buying opportunity here, and just run that long into the first, second week there of December. Crude oil here, I don't really see anything really that great. We had an inside day today, but again, we got to see if it can hold that 71.46. If not, you could go far all the way down at 67. Now, on my midday trading, I showed you exactly, the support levels, which you could go all the way down to. Okay, I'll be back here tomorrow morning before 8 o'clock, and we will do it all over again. Remember, tomorrow is the rig count at 1 p.m. on crude and natural gas. Not a big mover, but information is information. Now, remember, trade what's in front of you, not what you want.